Guys, guess what? We're gonna be going to welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Liquor. Yeah, so we're gonna be going to the Johannesburg CBD today. I just want to see how the town is, how everything is, how clean it is, how dirty it is, because I hear that it is super dirty. So I asked my husband if we can do a drive through there. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be saying a lot of things, maybe a few. I'm just gonna do maybe a voiceover or something, but I hear it is super dirty. So let's go to the Johannesburg CBD. Also, I have heard that there are a lot of Malawians that are in the Johannesburg CBD, because a lot of South Africans do not go to Johannesburg CBD because of crime. Yeah, if I am wrong, please just let me know. Also, there are mosquitoes here, jeez. So if I am wrong, we left the window open, by the way. It's not like, yeah. So yeah, I have heard that a lot of South Africans do not go to the CBD because of, I need to drink water right now, because of crime. So I had asked my husband like several times, like, can we go? Because the last time we were there was like a day ago. We went to collect stuff for someone who ordered and whatever. So yeah, let's go to the CBD. It's just a drive-through, so if I see anything interesting, maybe we're gonna stop, but I don't think so, because we're gonna be using an Uber. So let's go. Be your fairy tale.